main news.
Northern elders don talk say North no go vote for settlement as they do for Buhari. Plus, Obaseki don talk say no president fit change Nigeria. Hey guys, na still DJ MTV Daily News now na dey watch so. As the 2023 general election so don dey near ground, the Northern Elders Forum they don come together come talk say the Northern region go support only the presidential candidate wey be like say get the capacity to address the country socio-economic and security problem irrespective of where the person dey come from, whether the north, whether the south, whether west or whether the east, or whether the religion wey the person come from. E say na only that kind person na the north go support for the presidency for 2023. Northern elders don talk say dem no go vote for any candidate wey be like say na sentiment na e dey bring come the table as dem take do for Muhammadu Buhari for 2015. And as e don be like this, so dem don talk say the incumbent president wey be President Muhammadu Buhari say na disappointment e be to the north and the entire country. Dem don talk say Buhari no dey live up to expectation. They say the north vote for am out of sentiment for 2015. They say dem believe say im go do wonders for inside the country because dem say no northerner dey fit dey do anyhow. They say so, but Buhari na don come be disappointment and disgrace to the north and to all the country. For one video now wey we wan watch, we come see Dr. Akeem Baba Ahmed wey be the spokesman of the Northern Elders Forum wey come talk say this one wey dey talk now, so he say na the conclusion of the whole matter after all the northern leaders don sit down for one meeting for inside Kaduna State on Saturday. Dem come conclude say dem wey be the northern region so for inside this country, he say na deceive na dem deceive dem, say make dem vote for Buhari for 2015 with the hope say im go transform the whole country like small London. He say but dem come disappoint dem. He don cry ever talk say the north and the entire country don be worse place than where Buhari meet am before. He say before Buhari come, he say things no be like the way e be now. So he say kidnapping, banditry, e no be like this. He say but now as Buhari come dey now, so he say all these things wey dem call kidnapping, banditry, he say na high rate na e come dey. He say the poverty level so of Nigeria, he say don increase from 0% to more than 100%. He say because say dem believe say Buhari go fit change things. He say but now Buhari no fit do anything. Instead the thing now dey worst. For inside the video so, Akeem Baba come talk say nobody go take the north again for ride. He say both the south and the north get equal right to seek for any exalted office for inside 2023. Make we watch the video, we dey come back.
My position, which has been the position of my organization, is that a northerner and a southerner have equal rights to contest, but northerners should be very careful in choosing who they vote for. No northerner should take us for granted. That's how we ended up with President Buhari. We don't want to repeat the same mistake. You must be a northerner who's better than all the other candidates. That's, for us, that's the bottom line. It's not enough to be a northerner. You have to be the best. You have to be the best for the north. You have to be the best for the rest of Nigeria. We are looking for a Nigerian president. If he comes from the north, fine. But he must be voted for by Nigerians. And he must be good.
My people, una welcome back from that video. You don see am say Baba Akeem Ahmed don dey talk say dem no wan make the same mistake wey dem make for inside President Muhammadu Buhari election. He come equally talk say the north go only support competent presidential candidates wey be like say understand the root and solution to the numerous challenges wey be like say dey happen for inside this country, and not be say na person wey be like say just want power to fulfill all personal ambition wey e get for inside im mind. As dem dey use style dey talk this one, so dem come also talk say make the federal government make dem postpone the planned 2022 national population census wey dem wan take count how many citizens dey inside Nigeria. The reason be say the very large number of displaced persons wey dey inside dis country e don too much, and the likelihood of say the ten sion and controversy wey be like say dey around the matter so e say go generate before the 2023 general election. E say so make dem postpone the thing go front till further notice. Dem come still talk about key reform for inside the constitution and electoral process wey be like say the federal government suppose implement to improve the quality of election wey dey inside Nigeria. And dem come still talk say make President Muhammadu Buhari make e assent to the proposed amendment of the Electoral Act. E say so that make the election and the quality of election starting for 2023 make e dey improve, make the system dey okay. Say so make e sign the Electoral Amendment Act 2021. Dis na still DJMTV Daily News Update. If this na your first time wey you dey see any of our video, make you no forget to like, share and comment for the video, and also make you follow us for all our social media platforms on Facebook, on YouTube and also on Instagram. Make we go back into the main news wey we dey discuss before. Meanwhile, for other news, the governor of Edo State wey be Buhari+Obaseki, e don come out come talk say no Nigerian president, no Nigeria person fit save dis country from the problem when e dey. So e say because the problem wey Nigeria dey so na socio-economic problem na be that one. E say except say dem put better institution for place, e say nobody fit save dis country for the problem wey e dey so. Obaseki don talk dis one when e come dey address the member of the Edo State Transition Committee for the Executive Council Chamber Government House for inside Benin City. According to Obaseki, im talk say e no see any man, whether im be president or not, wey go fit change Nigeria overnight. E say e no dey possible at all. E say make dem stop to dey look for change wey no dey anywhere. E say e no go come into dis country. E say from any perspective of any strong man or from any man. Say Nigeria don pass that stage tey. E say the only thing and the only solution for Nigeria be say make dem build strong institution, strong system and strong process wey be like say fit change Nigeria. E say apart from that, e say miracle no dey anywhere. E say make dem forget about everybody wey be like say dey aspire to be president. E say dem no get anything to offer Nigeria. E say no get any miracle wey go fit change dis country. E say the only miracle wey be like say fit happen is be say whosoever go come wan lead Nigeria so, e say must understand say e get to collect a wide decision of people from across the country to begin to rebuild this institution, and that na exactly wetin go fit help Nigeria. So my people, una don see am, una don hear am, wetin the Northern Elders and Forum talk, wey dem talk say the mistake wey dem make for 2015 wey dem take vote for President Muhammadu Buhari, e say dem no go make that same mistake for 2023. E say all the people wey be like say don dey campaign, so if dem like make dem campaign from today till next year till 2023, e say dem no go vote based on sentiment again. E say because na that sentiment na im put Nigeria for the one wey e dey so. E say anybody wey be like say go be president for inside Nigeria, e say na person be like say e go fit stand for the north and stand for every other part of this country. E say so anybody wey dey aspire to be president, make e be somebody wey be like say fit stand for the country, whether e be from the north, whether e be from the south, whether e be from the east or from the west, e no concern dem. E say but make the person fit rebuild dis country to the standard wey be like say the country dey before. So my country people, how una see dis kind matter? Dem say dem make mistake wey dem take vote President Muhammadu Buhari for 2015. E say things come dey worst pass the way e be before. So how una see the matter? Una believe say wetin Northern Elders dey talk so say na true, abi dem just dey carry the talk am? Again, we come see the governor of Edo State wey name na Buhari+Obaseki don come out come talk say no president fit save dis country for the way e be so. E say no fit change am overnight, dem no fit save dis country at all overnight. E say so all those people wey be like say dem dey campaign now, so say some of dem dey campaign for their own personal ambition. Say so nothing fit happen, say miracle sef no fit happen for inside dis country. So my people, how una see dis matter? More una chook mouth put for the matter or concerning say wetin una think say Obaseki dey talk so, whether na true. Say no president fit save dis country for the one wey e dey so. Drop your comment and thought for the comment section below.
Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJM TV News, and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor.
Yeah.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.